Okay. These are the bigger numbers, but I think you can do it. These are not the mixed fractions, but with the fractions with the different denominators, please order them from smallest number to greatest using the LCD method.
25ths, 37 40ths, and 47 50ths.
Sorry, 9 10th and 23 25th, and then 3 and then 4, like this.
Yeah.
And
3/5, 8/15, 2/3, and 7/10.
You said 3/5, 8/15, 2/3, and 7/10. Your LCD is 30, right? So, well, this is correct. This is correct. But 1 and 2 is not. Like, which one is the least?
8/15.
Yeah, 8/15 is the least. Oh, sorry. Just number 1 and 2. 8/15 is 1, and this is 2, and then this is 3, and this is 4. Well, good job. Please read the word problem. The football team wins 3/8 of their matches in a season. The same team loses 1/3 of their matches. Show the team win more matches than they lose.
1/24 more.
24th more?
Yeah.
Like, you don't know how many matches did they play, like, in totals?
And 1/3.
Or just tell me, like, how did you solve this?
I found the LCD of 3/8 and 1/3.
Okay, which is
24.
24.
And I did 3, and I did 3 times 3, which is 9.
Okay.
And then I did 3, and then I did 1 times 8, which is 8. And then I subtracted 9 by 8, and I got 1/24.
Oh, okay. 1/24. Okay. I thought you just saying. Okay. I heard you wrong. I just heard like 24 more. So I was like, okay. You can't tell like how many matches did they win and how many, like, in numbers. You can just tell in fractions. Yeah, 1/24 more. So you're right. They win, then they lose. Okay.